managing inventory doesn't have to be difficult. Predictify helps Shopify merchants forecast future sales and make smarter inventory decisions with AI-powered insights. The overall sales forecast analyzes your historical sales data to predict future demand, helping you plan inventory and stay ahead of upcoming trends. With product-wise sales forecasting, you can identify top-performing products, forecast demand for each item, and restock the right products at the right time. Dive deeper into product performance with interactive sales, revenue, and price versus sales charts. Compare historical data with AI-powered forecasts to understand demand trends and make smarter purchasing decisions. Enable daily, weekly, or monthly email alerts to receive low-stock notifications before inventory runs out, helping you avoid stockouts and lost sales. Take control of your inventory with Predictify. Forecast smarter, stock better, and grow your Shopify business with confidence. Install Predictify today and start planning ahead.